Shariram Madhyam Kalu Dharma Sadhana. Charity starts through the body first. No matter how many children you have, how many things you have to take care, doesn't matter. If you don't have time, get up at 4:30 and take care of first self. That's what Father taught us. At 4 o'clock we can listen his voice, beautiful chantings from Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Potana Bhagavatam. That things. It helped me a lot. It's 10 children, not only me. Yeah. Shariram, Madhya, Kalu, Dharma Sadhana. Charity starts through the body. Anyway, we go to beauty parlor, right? Anyway, we'll do beautiful dresses, right? This is inner beauty. If you want inner beauty, if you want not becoming inner wrinkles will show to wrinkles. No, I don't want that. Huh? You gave promise, right? So who wants to come here and show this same thing? Who wants to come and sing and please? Nitin, you want? Nitin, you are escaping. So,
one thing, children think they have grown mad. When we do.
No, that also nice, sir. Even laughing also very nice. Lung, it is good for the lungs.
Children think he has grown mad.
Don't worry for what others are saying. What I am saying for myself. Maybe you all will think, Sunita, what I think, I respect Sunita, I love Sunita. Right, Madam? Yes, that's all. Doesn't matter. Maybe you don't let me alone there, so I have my best friend. It could be God, it could be my consciousness. My connection with the higher consciousness is powerful since childhood. I never go out since childhood because of my empathy. Wherever I go, I used to fall, I used to be unconscious because that empathy will absorb that energy. But slowly when I am growing, I understood absorbing, overreacting, cleaning, purifying, next shifting. Whatever you say that to me, Dr. Suman, when you shout at me, you don't shout and say, okay, what is this name? Surendra, you said that. Sunita, Surendra is so nice man. Again you say, I am not nice, okay? Surendra is so nice. Again you will say something. But my word, only one word is, Surendra is nice. Surendra is nice. Surendra is so nice. Finish. Shifting started already. He also will think, she is saying several times, maybe I am not. Sir, you are very good. Just I have taken it. Unfortunately, sat near. See, that smiles, did you see? It opened up, like that. Anybody will come here. Even if you come here, I will go there. I will focus on you. What she is saying, is it? Any purpose, any meaning, any plan or that. Okay, next, Shariram Madhya Kalu Moksha Sadhana. Moksha means we liberate from our identification. I am a singer, I am a teacher, I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am this, I am that. My father is great, Jamindar, my father is great, that. We forget everything. We are not identifying with, RSMS people, they also will say, any meditation people, they will say that, no identification please. I am beautiful, I am not beautiful, I am short, I am very tall. Finish. I am a pure, divine, peaceful human being. That's all. Can you say all of you? I am a peaceful, pure human being. That human being is connected to divine being. Divine being is what? Divya Shakti. Atma Shakti will go to Divya Shakti. Once Atma Shakti and Divya Shakti will connect, finish. So, what is meditation? Dhyanena Atmani Pashyanti. In meditation, in silencing the mind, purifying my mind, clearing my past things, subconscious clutters has gone. Now I can see myself, who I am. Those days I used to think I am an angry person. Those days I used to think I am a jealousy person. Those days I used to think, whatever. 6 vices, what are the 6 vices, Suman? Kama, Krodha, Moha, Lobha, Mada, Matsharya. You know the meaning, no? You all know that meaning. There is no need you have to think. We are not we are thinking, we are identifying. I am an angry bad person. You see what I am going to do. That's where murderers they did that. I yes to that thing. And when I go up there, alpha stage will come. Alpha stage means 10 to 12 brain size. Then change this. Otherwise, I want to be positive, I want to be changed, it won't happen. Except a dhyana.